Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create horizontal scroll animation on WIX Studio. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to the WIX Studio editor of your website. Once over here on the top left hand side, click on the plus icon, and then once in here tap on quick add, and then just click on image, and then just select and add the image you would like. Now just tap on your image to select it. And on the right hand side a panel will open up, and here you'll see all of these different customization features. And at the top you'll see an option for animations, tap on it. Now here you'll see all of these different animations, and since we're trying to create a scroll animation, click on scroll and then click on add. Now here you'll see all of these different animations that you could choose from. One of the best which you can use are the move animation or the slide animation. So for example, I'll choose the move animation. Now over here you can choose the angle from which it will start moving from. You can also adjust the distance and also your animation area. Now you can choose either the animation type is in or out. Once done, on the top right hand side you'll see a preview icon, tap on it. Now here once you start scrolling on your page you'll see the image move. But for example, if you want to make some changes, then again on the top right click on edit site, and here you'll be at the animations page, and at the bottom click on add and then click on adjust animation once again, and here you can change the settings as you like. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.